Hey guys, welcome back to another product video. On today's video, I'm super excited to share something amazing with you. The LAVA GENIE Sampler Guitar. This isn't just a regular guitar. It's designed to make playing and creating music fun and easy for everyone, no matter your skill level. Let me show you why this is a must-have for anyone who loves music. So on this video, it's going to be an unboxing and a product overview video. And at the end, I'm gonna give my overall feedback of how well I like it and how easy it is to use. So let's get into it. Let me show you what comes in this package. This is the beta model. So let's open it up. So when you first open it, it comes with this envelope right here. So let's see what it comes with. So it has some stickers right here. It has like a little poster. It has stickers with the different keys on here that you can label the fretboard, and it has the manual of how to use the product. And then here's the package itself. So I must say, just the case alone is very well made. Like, it's a durable case, lightweight. I could pretty much bring this anywhere with me. If I want to go for a hike, if I go to a friend's house, if I'm traveling on an airplane, car trip, anywhere. And it's very easy to carry around. Okay, so here's the actual sampler right here. So this is as the shape of a guitar. Very cool. Here's the fretboard. And it comes with the premium shoulder strap also. Okay, so let's put it together. Let's see how it is. So you're gonna insert this piece inside here. Okay, so it's very easy to put together. To turn it on, all we're gonna do is just hold down this button and watch this. You can see the lights go on. So it kind of looks like a lightsaber turning on. Very cool. Even like the sounds. So let's just try to play some sounds and see what I can make with this. Then if you want to use this piece right here, this is pretty much to mimic as if you're strumming the guitar on the regular strings. So you're gonna touch your button on the fretboard and then pass your fingers along the lights. So it's very cool because every light it mimics like a string. So you can either start on the top and then mix it, or go from the bottom up. Alright, so it's very cool. Here's a close-up view of the guitar. This is your power on and off button. When you hold it down, you can see how the bar lights up with different colors. This is where you raise and lower the volume by turning the dial. You could hook up a mic on here. This is your charger, USB-C. Here's your touchpad, top and bottom, right here. You can even use this to strum the music chords. This is to stop the music. This is your drum set right here. And these are the different keys. So there's two speakers. You have this speaker here, speaker, and then this is how you release the board right here. You just press this down and lifts up. First off, look at this design. It's sleek, modern, and just beautiful. But the LAVA GENIE isn't just about looks. It's packed with features that make playing music simple and exciting. Whether you're new to guitars or already experienced, you're gonna love this. One of the coolest things about the LAVA GENIE is its sampler feature. You can create music in just 60 seconds. It lets you add sounds, loops, and effects to build your own track. It's like having a mini recording studio right in your hands. And the effects, they're amazing. You can switch between different sounds like reverb or delay with just a tap. You can make your music sound mellow, futuristic, or anything in between. So the app is very easy to use. They have a lot of songs here to choose from. You can even change the sounds using the app, and it connects very easily. All you do is just hit the button right there, and it automatically connects to the guitar. So I'm going to show you how well that the app works with the LAVA GENIE guitar. So I already picked the song that I want to sing. It's Oasis Wonderwall, and it shows you how to play it using the different chords and the lyrics. What makes the LAVA GENIE special is how it combines smart technology with easy to use features. This isn't just a guitar, it's a tool for creativity. Plus, it's small and light, so you can take it anywhere. Want to play at home, in the park, or on a trip? No problem. I've been using the LAVA GENIE for a while now, and it's honestly so much fun. I've written new songs, tried different sounds, and shared music with friends. It's really inspiring and makes me want to play every day. So, if you're ready for a guitar that's easy to use, fun, and perfect for making music, the LAVA GENIE Sampler Guitar is the one for you. It's great for beginners, pros, and everyone in between. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more music reviews. See you next time. Don't forget to check out the link in the description so you can pre-order yours today. Thanks for watching.